Hello buddies, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sanjana, and this girl is finally done with her 11th class. I completed 11th. I had my final, the last exam yesterday, and I'm officially in 12th now, and I have to start my 12th by tomorrow. I just got 1 day holiday. It's 7th today, 7th of March. And I should be getting holiday on 8th. We play Holi on 8th. Instead of giving on 8th, they gave us on 7th. And we can play Holi tomorrow. We have to attend our first class for 12th. And I surely don't want to miss the first day, because they're going to teach. And I have to be getting organized. I want to start my 12th with good spirit, and I have to clean my desk. Not completely clean the desk, I have to clean my drawer, the drawer of the desk, because it's completely a mess. If you see it, it's not even mine, it's my brother's. He used to use the desk before, and there is a lot of mess in there. I'm gonna remove everything from there. I'm gonna put my stuff there, and let's go. I just came back from nursery and I got 7 plants. They are the indoor plants, because why not? Plants spread positivity, and you should keep, the study says that if we have greenery around us where we study, it boosts your productivity. And let's boost our productivity this year.